Many users struggle to get Google Nest Wi-Fi working with Spectrum modems due to primary point setup and WAN configuration issues. These problems stem from conflicts between the modem's default settings and the mesh system. The core issue involves modem router compatibility in cable internet setups. Spectrum modems operate in gateway mode by default, acting as both modem and router, which conflicts with Google Nest Wi-Fi's primary router function. The key to fixing these issues is configuring your Spectrum modem to bridge mode and ensuring the Google Nest Wi-Fi's primary point handles routing properly. Ensure your Google Nest Wi-Fi's primary point is correctly set up to receive the public IP from the modem through its WAN port. Recent Google updates in Nest Wi-Fi v3 enhance compatibility with cable ISPs like Spectrum, addressing DHCP lease issues and WAN port configurations. Start by confirming your Spectrum modem is compatible with Google Nest Wi-Fi. Check Spectrum's approved modem list on their website to ensure your model supports bridge mode and won't cause IP conflicts. Next, enable bridge mode on your Spectrum modem. Access the modem settings through the Spectrum app or by logging into the admin panel at 192.168.100.1. This disables the modem's routing functions, preventing double NAT issues. Now, reset your Google Nest Wi-Fi and reconfigure it using the Google Home app. Select the primary unit, choose the WAN connection type, and connect the Ethernet cable from the modem's LAN port to the primary point's WAN port. Finally, test your setup for issues like slow speeds or dropped connections. Check DHCP settings and firmware versions. In the Google Home app, configure your network by selecting Connect to Existing Network to avoid IP conflicts. By following these steps, you'll bypass double NAT issues and establish a stable WAN link, significantly improving your network's performance and reliability.